Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, now we know that Express Entry has got some changes. Now NOC 2021 uh, is now implemented, and 16 new occupations are now eligible. But in this video, what I am going to tell you that there are more changes that I anticipate will happen down the line sooner than later. So guys, before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So whatever I tell in this video is based on my personal research and analysis, and if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, as I have always said in many other videos as well, that Canadian immigration system sooner or later follows Australian immigration system. So this new occupation code and other things, this is already in place in Australia, but now Canada is also adapting. Basically, what issue I see in Canadian immigration system, that it's good, it's a point based system, but it does not have any cap over any occupation. For example, one particular occupation may have thousands of candidates with high scores, and when a draw is conducted, maybe all of them get picked up, but other occupations which could be in high demand in Canada with lot of labor shortages, they may not get picked up at all. So in this way, this express entry is not fully doing its job. So there has to be some occupation ceiling or occupation based draws as well. So in Australia, this is already in place. This is called occupation ceiling in their skill select, where they specify the maximum number of invitations they can issue for a particular occupation, and based on occupations their cutoffs also vary. Because in Canada, in certain sectors like healthcare, there is a critical shortage of qualified workers. So what I see down the line, that express entry will also start inviting people based on these occupations, like whatever occupations are in demand. There could be a situation where they will invite for all occupations, or when they will invite for certain occupations. That also can happen down the line. So this will be, in my opinion, this will be a major change down the line, that occupation based draws will happen. But again, there's nothing wrong from your side, nothing to feel felt bad. Just keep working hard, try to improve your score, and I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.